Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Touted as the pinnacle of luxury, beyond your imagination, the fictitious 2026 Bentley Motorhome defies the traditional definition of a recreational vehicle by presenting an image of unmatched luxury, custom craftsmanship, and an experience painstakingly crafted for the most discriminating people on the planet. This imagined vehicle would serve as a mobile refuge and an extension of the most luxurious estates and superyachts, not just a means of transportation or a temporary residence. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome would have a striking yet refined appearance from the outside, making it clearly identifiable as a Bentley. With its distinctive crystal-cut LED illumination on either side, the recognizable matrix grille would be a focal point. The bodywork would probably have elegant, flowing lines and be constructed from the best materials, perhaps using carbon fiber and alloys that are lightweight but extraordinarily robust. When applied using painstaking multi-stage procedures, bespoke paint finishes would gleam with depth and brightness. Every panel gap would be invisible, and every chrome accent would be mirror-polished, demonstrating an unwavering dedication to excellence. A discreet welcome into its opulent interior would be provided by flawlessly integrated electrically movable steps. The feeling of entering the Bentley Motorhome is meant to be astounding. The large, cleverly planned living areas would live up to the penthouse on wheels description. The delicate aroma of rich, pristine leather from the best tanneries would permeate the air. Surfaces would be embellished with hand-polished wood veneers, perhaps from exotic and rare species, which would blend in perfectly with elaborate marquetry designs. Every switch would be made of solid metal and have a gratifying click, and every surface would be velvety to the touch. The interior design would be completely adaptable to the owner's exact preferences. Consider a master suite with a king-sized bed with custom linens, a built-in entertainment system, and a marble bathroom with a rainfall shower. With its deep cushioned armchairs and sofas, which are expertly sewn and electronically adjustable, and its electrochromic privacy glass that provides panoramic views, the main lounge area would be a tribute to comfort. If one is selected, a gourmet kitchen would have top-notch appliances concealed behind beautiful cabinets, enabling the preparation of Michelin-starred cuisine. The Bentley Motorhome would be a technological marvel of understated integration. Every element of the environment would be controlled by intuitive touchscreens that could be seamlessly integrated into wooden panels. These touchscreens could handle anything from climate control and ambient lighting schemes to sophisticated entertainment systems and a multi-zone audio system that produces audiophile caliber sound, modern security systems, high-speed satellite internet, and maybe even a special teleconferencing room would guarantee uninterrupted connectivity and tranquility. Beneath this unmatched luxury, the Bentley Motorhome would be constructed on a specially designed chassis that would provide smooth power delivery and the highest level of comfort. Huge torque and seamless acceleration would be provided by a whisper-quiet powertrain, either a high-displacement twin-turbocharged W12 or an advanced hybrid system, making every trip as peaceful as the final destination. Even the most difficult roads would feel like newly laid tarmac thanks to advanced air suspension that would glide over flaws with ease. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome would be more than just a car. It would be a statement, a personal haven, and an example of what can be accomplished when creativity is not constrained by traditional norms. It would turn travel into an art form, catering to a clientele that values nothing less than the best in all facets of their lives and for whom money is no object.